This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tompkins. Gated community, 3 bedrooms, plus den, 2-car garage. Sewer, water, lawn, pool maintenance included in the rent. The home is located in the exclusive ranch colony, 24-hour guard-gated entrance. The home sits directly on the facier course of Old Trail. Membership available. Home has been beautifully remodeled. Impact glass, screen porch, outdoor kitchen, almost 1-acre lawn care included. For more information, review the details below or contact Ed Tompkins at 561-625-2700.